So I just thought I would make this video because I bought two of these mango puff bars the other day because I lost my vape that I usually use, and so I get 2 packs of these, right? And I go to try the first one and it just tastes like so bad, like tastes like shit. And then I opened up the second one and this one tastes just as bad as this one. Like, this mango puff bar does not taste like mango at all. False advertising. But yeah, I just wanted to warn you guys, like, the mango puff bar doesn't taste anything like a puff bar. Or like mango. Look, sorry. But yeah. I would definitely keep looking. I would probably go with Mr. Fogg. Mr. Fogg actually tastes like mango. Or if you're looking to step outside the box, you could grab a Novo 2 and get some juice for it, because this is pretty much like a Juul, kind of. I like it better than the Juul actually, but yeah, that's what I've been using. I'm glad I found this though. It was just in the seat of my car, but I got these in the meantime, which were just a waste of money, man. But yeah, you guys should definitely thumbs up this video, you know, so everybody else knows that these suck, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, good looking out. Peace.